man with a criminal record, and more about unconscious. Oh, you got that? Excellent. Thank you. One person said to me, weren't you ashamed of being in prison? I said, certainly not.